In an interview broadcast on Saturday, the French President Emmanuel Macron has accused Turkey of adopting an aggressive attitude towards its NATO allies. He said tensions could ease if his Turkish president showed respect and did not tell lies. Macron condemned Turkey's behavior in Syria, Libya and the Mediterranean. He also sought to calm flaring tensions with Muslims around the world after increasingly heated rhetoric following the incident of French school teacher Samuel Paty, who showed caricatures of the Prophet Muhammad as part of a discussion on free speech. Macron said that France's wish was that things calm down, but for this to happen, it was essential that the Turkish president respects France, respects the European Union, respects its values, does not tell lies and does not utter insults. Following the deadly earthquake in the Aegean, he said France had offered its condolences to Turkey and had also offered to send help to the scene. He described Turkey's intervention in Syria as aggression for NATO allies and said Ankara had not respected an arms embargo in Libya while showing a deeply aggressive attitude in the eastern Mediterranean, and these imperial inclinations are not a good thing for the stability of the region. There have been weeks of tensions between France and Turkey, which reached a peak last weekend when Erdogan questioned the mental health of Macron. France responded by recalling its ambassador to Ankara for consultations. On Saturday, Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian said France would send its ambassador back to Ankara after a week's absence. Le Drian told that Turkey made the deliberate choice to instrumentalize the cruel incident of the French teacher and church attack, accusing Ankara of launching a hateful and slanderous campaign against France. Macron said people could be shocked by the caricatures, but violence cannot be justified, and his role is to clamp down things, and at the same time he has the role to protect rights of people. He slammed a confusion that has been fed by many media and sometimes political and religious leaders. He also denounced calls for a boycott of French goods backed by Erdogan as unworthy and unacceptable. He said the campaign was created by some private groups. Even before the attack on Paty, Macron had promised a tough new campaign against Islamist radicalism in France, which has claimed the lives of hundreds of people since 2015.